So this is what you don't do to bushes if you expect them to grow back healthy and look good and have a good shape. I mean, I don't think anybody cared what was going on with those trimmers they were using, hacking it away. But wow, just wow. Just make the cut straight at least. I mean, we all have to butcher plants and bushes every once in a while to have them regrow, but at least make your cuts nice and straight, have a nice shape to them. Those things are like a whole bunch of staircases running around for squirrels and birds to hop around on. I don't know. That's pretty bad. She got a crack out of it. She's ragging on them hard. So let me show you one thing why I only use the hardwood mulch. This kind of mulch right here is called pallet mulch. And it does not ever pack down and stay in one place. It just falls apart, and if you're blowing at all, that thing's not gonna, you're just gonna blow mulch everywhere. The dyed hardwood, total different. And that's triple processed, and it packs down and stays in place. 100%. I'll check back in. Welcome back, all you warriors, to another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. Yesterday we finished off the mulch job, and we were not complete. We still had to go get 3 scoops. So I'll show you what we finished up in the backyard real quick, and then we'll come in here to the front yard. All right, here we go. So here's the hydrangeas that I did not trim back, and we'll keep an eye on them this season, and I'll show you how they progress. All right, finish up the mulching back here. The edge is made out of block stones, and we had to come rearrange this edge a little bit. It was all sunk in and gotten crazy, so reline the bricks, throwing down grass seed, and we'll have grass around that now here soon. And this bed, like I said, it'll eventually get re-landscaped, and we'll put a nice design into it. And yeah, looking forward to that sometime this year. Ta-da. So we got the front finished up now. Yeah. All right, so if you go back to the video right before this, you'll see those golden mops had that growth to them. So we got them shaped up to where they'll blend in with the rest of the landscape here. Yeah, let me show you around. Welcome back, everybody. Let me show you what I'm getting into today. And this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, a little bit after 1. So we did a job this morning, finished up that mulch job, and now we're here. I'll show you. Whew. It's a lot of trimming I gotta do, a whole lot of trimming. So we'll set you up somewhere to watch the action and get to work. Okay. The boys will be over there mulching that bed that goes from there all the way to the back. And yeah, I'll show you the front too. We also have a whole bunch of golden mops. I'll show you up front. These were definitely slightly healthy and overgrown, right? So, getting ready to hit that cherry tree a little bit, and you'll see it's grown way into the decking fence and the big yellow, beautiful forsythia. We're going to have to do some major trimming on her. So, these Nandinas, let me ask you, this year in Virginia, we got down to like 6 degrees and we had like a 2-week cold spell. Those Nandinas kind of, all the leaves fell off. Normally they don't, okay? Normally around here they're evergreens. This year, bleh, they just died out, fell, all sorts of stuff. Just looks bad, horrible. So we're gonna be patient because spring is not here. It's just early pre-spring, really. We'll see what it all turns out to. I'll check back in. So we went ahead and cut these back, see what happens to them, see if they come back to life. All right, got the cherry tree trimmed up underneath everything, all the suckers. So now we got this beautiful forsythia bush. It's huge. All right, so to be honest with you, it's 5:45. We're all exhausted, and I don't have much to say. A lot of work accomplished today, which they did an excellent job right behind me the whole time. And yeah, like I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. We landscape style. Peace.